Now, it's important to build the base here. I talked about my philosophy earlier. This course is about maximizing your return, your profits in your business, given the limited resources that you have to work with. Now, I want you to know that this entire process is based on decades of experience, research, and real-world experience. This isn't theory. So let's dive in. There are 5 modules in this order. Module 1 is your vision, mission, and values. Module 2, I call Find the Money. Module 3 is your ideal customer. Module 4 are your actual marketing strategies. And Module 5 is Measuring for Success. Now, the order in which you complete this work is very important. This isn't the type of course where you can jump from one section to another and have it work for you. Because each piece in this builds upon the other, and it's dependent upon the prior knowledge. It is very much like a puzzle here, where each piece specifically fits next to and matches only with its mate. So I want you to back out a little bit here, and let's explain why we have to do these in these particular order. See, to me, marketing is simply about what I call the master marketing equation. It's showing the right message to the right person at the right time and place. Now, each of these 3 things has a dependency. For example, the right message is dependent upon the right person. A mom is going to have an entirely different message than a father for a parenting product, right? So also your messaging time and place is also dependent on that right person, you know? Prospective home buyers are not going to Snapchat to find a new home. Does that make sense? So we have a series of questions to build out your marketing plan. What is your unique message, and where do you show that message? Both of these are predicated upon who your ideal customer is. And here's the funny thing. Your ideal customer is actually hidden in your business. And I'm going to show you how to find them and go get more of them. And finally, we must make sure that all of this adds up to and is congruent with your original idea for your business. This is why most business owners, in my opinion, struggle with marketing. They simply have things out of order. But we're going to get things straightened out for you here. So, how do you get the most out of this material? It's going to take a little dash of faith and a little dash of patience and some hard work. I'm going to ask you to do some things that don't appear to be very marketing related at first. But I need you to have a little faith in the decades of experience that I have and that I've put together for you. And I promise you, when we are finished, you will look back and wonder. Every single aspect of your business will be touched by the work we're going to do here. Every part of your business will be improved. This is why the material is released in sequence and in order. Between the materials I've put together for you in this course and our ability to help in real time in our community, you will have access to a group of peers and the best minds in marketing that I think exists in the world today. So I know you're busy. I'm going to pace how I deliver the information and work with you to finish. Much of this you can have your marketing team, if they exist, complete. But, and particularly in the beginning, your vision, mission, and value work, that has to come from you. You cannot outsource it or put it into committee. This is your work. So let's get started. Let's jump right into the vision, mission, and values. So if you have any questions about this process or about how it's delivered, now is the time to ask. Either comment below in the forum, send me an email, leave us a message, I will call you back. If you have any concerns, let's deal with it and move forward, because we have a lot to do. I'll see you in the first module.